Hello guys, good morning. It's August 1st and you know what it is? Very important day in my life. Hello, good morning everybody. And we're going to the market right now. First time going to the market as a retired person. Very nice. You don't know how it feels if you're not retired. See you later. So hindi ako makapasok sa sasakyan kasi ang sasakyan ko malapit masyado sa curb. Ganun kasi ako mag-park. So hintayin natin na iurong ng ating driver ang sasakyan. Okay. Alright. Okay. Looks like I can enter now. Whoops. What am I gonna do with this? But I want to buy it. Do I really need it? I'm gonna look for something else. So pagkagaling ng grocery outlet guys, pumunta na naman kami ng Target. This looks like Target kasi si Jericho may bibilhin siya. So hindi lang kasi si Jericho ang may bibilhin dito, pati ako. Tingnan nyo naman, uupo ako dyan sa may red ball. Ayay ka! Muntik pang mahulog. Kawawa naman, buti na lang nakabalance ako ng maayos. Okay, so ayan ang mga pictures natin na ayan. Tuwang-tuwa ako. Nasaan ba kami dyan? Hindi kami dyan sa Target eh. Nasa loob kami ng I think grocery outlet niyan. Okay.